I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have joined me for another unboxing. I unbox clothing, style boxes, clothing hauls, that type of thing. So if you enjoy those types of videos, you've come to the right place. Please hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, tap the bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Today I am going to be unboxing Lyon Post. But before I do that, I just want to share some things with you. These are some of my latest purchases that I have got. These are the earrings I got from Stitch Fix in my last fix, and this is the necklace that I got a few fixes ago. And don't they go nicely together? I don't know if they pair really well with this blouse. I love this red blouse. This is a blouse I scored from Thrift to You. I am going to link that video below because this has fast become one of my favorite blouses. And I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. I'm sitting on a ball, so pardon the ball. So I'm wearing my Stitch Fix shorts. My husband says, wow, those shorts go with everything. And really they do. And my stylist from Thrift to You is actually shopping for some summer shorts for me, and I am opening up my mind to wearing more shorts. So I just wanted to share those things with you because I'm actually purchasing from these boxes and I wear these items all of the time. I'm excited about this Lyon Post. There's a few things in here that I can't wait to see. And I have to thank you. I give a referral link, and many of you ladies have taken advantage of that referral. If you go through my link, you can get $30 off your first box, and in return, they give me $30 in credit, which makes these clothes so inexpensive for me. And they are expensive premium brand clothing, so I thank all of you. And all of you that will use my link in the future, thank you very much. Lyon Post is a try before you buy service. It is not a style service. You get to pick what they send to you, but you go through their store and put items in your cart that you would like to try. Many of the items I want to try are on a wait list, so I have to wait for them to become available. But they send me the first 4 items in my queue, and I get to try them on at home, and you have 7 days, I believe. I think they've extended that to me because I buy so much from them. But you have 7 days to try everything. You actually get points. There's a point system with Lyon Post, and I don't know how it works exactly, but I do know if you turn your items around very, very quickly, you get more points. And normally I do. Normally I will think about what I'm going to keep with Lyon Post for a day or two and send it back. But isn't this presentation beautiful? It's my favorite of all the boxes. They do such a good job with that. We get all of our paperwork is right here, and we have some jewelry. This is by Elizabeth and James, and this is a brand I have not tried yet. So what do we have? We have a little note about Elizabeth and James, and we have some gold earrings. You know, it is a surprise to me because I have a lot of stuff in my queue. I probably have 60 things in my cart right now, and like I said, most of it is waitlisted, so I'm not sure what I'm getting. Those are the earrings. Those are beautiful. Really, really pretty. I can't wait to try those on. Let's look at the bundle. There is a top in here that I'm excited about, and the jeans, I believe, have the stripe down the side. You're going to be really surprised at the top that I want. Let's see. This is, who is this? 3 Dots. This is a t-shirt. And we've got that ombre look on it. It is a scoop neck with a pocket tee. I just was drawn to these colors and thought I would try this. It feels super duper soft, so I like this. This is the one that I've been waiting for. And yes, it is black. This was a halter. I don't know if it's going to, I'm gonna have to put it on. The model was so super beautiful, and I get in trouble with Lyon Post a lot because their models look phenomenal in this clothing, and it doesn't always look great on me. It's got a band around the waistband, and it's just the drapey front Okay, this is definitely a piece we've got to try on so that you can see. And who is this by? Forgot. Armoire Vert. That's who made that. They call it a halter of some sort. And then, okay, these are mother jeans. And these are a dark wash denim, and they have the black stripe down the side. You can see that. They are a little bit stretchy, not too much. They have the unfinished hem, and there is the step hem, so it's going to be a little uneven. And I don't know if you remember earlier in the year when I was getting the step hem and the pants with the stripe down the side, and I was not happy about that. And I see them everywhere, and I really want a pair. I've requested them from Trunk Club, and I hope these work.
These earrings, these are the gold earrings by Elizabeth and James, and I think they are lovely. My problem with these earrings is they were a bear to get on, and I can't do that. I really need simple earrings. They're the last thing I put on when I leave the house in the morning, and I need them to be effortless. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to pass on these. I don't even care about the price. They just don't work for me. Now this is the halter top by Amour Vert. I haven't heard of that brand before, but I was kind of excited to try this. We've got that big band, so it feels pretty secure around my hips or waist, and it's kind of blousy. We do have the cross detail here, but I feel really, really comfortable. It doesn't show anything. It's kind of deep there. I'm just wearing a regular bra with it, which almost works. If I was wearing a black bra, it would probably work perfect. I was wowed by this blouse when I saw it on the website, and I couldn't wait to receive it. So what do you think about this blouse? Is it as special as I think it is? Again, I'll show you one more time. I like it. The Mother Stunner April Step frayed hem jeans. Got the pockets in the back, working pockets in the front. You've got that stripe detail. Can you see that stripe detail? It's pretty dark, but I like these. Okay, again, these feel awesome. And Lyon Post is running a 30% off their entire website right now. So although these mother jeans are very expensive, there is a little bit of a discount on them. I can't remember what they cost, but I know they are pricey. So one more blouse. Okay, this is the 3-dot tee. It's very soft. It is stinky. When I put it on, it smells musty. Something's wrong with this blouse. So I'm going to show it to you very quickly. If it didn't stink, I might consider buying it. I am purchasing brand new clothes, and I don't want them to smell at all.
With Lyon Post, they always send a handwritten note. And this one says, "Hello, Kelly. Thank you for shopping with us. You made some excellent choices. The 3 dots ombre pocket tee is one of our favorites. Enjoy trying on all your picks. Love, Ellen P." That t-shirt smells. It just downright stinks. I can't even consider purchasing that t-shirt. Now we have the prices. The first thing is the earrings. I have packaged them up. I am ready to send them back. Although they are beautiful, they are difficult to put on. They are $40.25. The next thing is the Agnes Surplus halter. This is by Amour Vert. This is $61.60. It's black. I don't normally wear black. I thought it was really cute on the model. I'm honestly not sure how I feel about it. I liked it. It feels like a piece that I could wear with confidence. I just don't know if I need it. $61.60. Let me know your thoughts on that halter top. Next we have the really stinky 3 dots ombre pocket tee. This is $64.40. This should come with some Tide. And then the last thing we have is the Mother Stunner Ankle Step Fray jeans. These are $159.60, and I really want these. I like this pair of jeans, and I do have some credit with Lyon Post, so I could pick these up. But another thing about Lyon Post is they do price match. So I think I am going to check and see if I can find these for less than $159.60. And because I think it's a great price for mother jeans. I like the way that these fit me, and they're right here in my house for me to keep and wear if I decide to do that. So I am going to send the tee and the earrings back. The jeans and the halter are what I am considering. I would love to hear your thoughts on those two items. Well, actually the entire box. If you would like to try Lyon Post for yourself, please go through my referral link. You'll get $30 to spend on your first purchase. So be prepared. The prices are high, but the quality is also there. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. I will have another video coming out for you very soon. Thank you all for supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. Blessings to you.